So finds that I had yesterday. So on Thursdays and Fridays, I'm always looking at gsailor.com and the garage sale treasure map for garage sales, and I saw a few in my local area that were close to the post office that I was going to drop off a package at. First one was a church garage sale. So here you can see some silverware, and I pulled a few out of the bag. And it turned out, I pulled a few out of the bag, and it turns out that a lot of them were silver plated. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it says William and Rogers Brothers, which W.M. Rogers, which means that it's made by William M. Rogers Brothers, and it's silver plated. I was like, how much do you want for it? These were all in the same bag, this larger bag, and she said $2. So I was like, this is awesome. Great find. And to make it even better, I broke it into two separate lots, silver plated in one lot, and non-silver plated in another lot, and I actually sold the silver plated lot for $36 yesterday, which is definitely way better than average for me personally. Then I saw these mugs. So this Nestle mug, which is sterling china, and these interesting mugs, I got 6 of them total. I should have bought them all because she had like about 16 total, but I bought 6. But I bought 6, I really didn't know for sure how long they were going to sit. You can see 1985, and they all even came with this little paper too. I was like, how much you want for them? They're 25 cents a piece. And I should be getting $5 a piece, sold them as a lot. And these Nestle mugs, I should hopefully get $10 a piece. I'd take 7 though, or $7.50, and they're selling as a lot too. I was like, this is great. Then I went to the next garage sale. New in the packaging, 1992 Smart Clapper. Believe it or not, people still buy this stuff, and it sells for about $17 on eBay. And then, fortunately, I went a different route than my GPS was telling me to get out of that neighborhood, because I stumbled upon another garage sale where I found this interesting plate. So you can see it has a scene of San Francisco on it. It has 24 karat gold edge made using like Chokin. It's made in Japan. It's like, how much you want for this? The person doing the sale was like 50 cents. I was like, that's perfect. I should be able to get about $10, $15 for that. But then they had books. Now, as you know, I sell books online. Definitely my area of focus. And they had great books. This one right here. Great. They wanted $1 for hardback and 50 cents for soft covers. This one right here was made in 1958 and comps on eBay. 1958, you can see right there. 1958. Comps on eBay were $38, and I paid $1 for it. To be honest, I'd happily take 20. And these two books I've listed for about $15 a piece. $15 to $20 a piece. But the amazing thing is the rank. This one, I paid $1 for it. It's ranked in the 81,000 range. And this one right here is ranked in the 6 to 7,000 range. And this one should sell within the week, and I paid 50 cents for it. And after that, I went to a fourth garage sale, and there really wasn't anything there. But yeah, I'm definitely extremely happy to have these finds. Now, this is, also keep in mind that this is assuming that the stuff sells. There's no guarantee that it sells, except for stuff that already sold, like the silverware, silver-plated silverware. There's no guarantee that it's going to sell. There's very high probability that this should sell, that these two books should sell real soon. But, stuff like this mugs or this clapper could sit for a very long time. Smart clapper. But there's no guarantee that it'll sell. It does include fees. But either way, the net profit was I sold half of this stuff for $36. And because that book right there should sell within a week, this alone makes up for the $9 total that I spent for all this stuff. And this right here, it's just gonna be gravy, and the rest is too. And also because I have good margins, I have a lot of room for negotiation, which helps a lot. But definitely an above average find for me, and very happy to have it. And I just wanted to show this to y'all. So please like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day.